Okay, guys, I'm gonna use the 5.8 version. Start the project. Gonna show you some quick tips about auto retargeting, so you don't need to retarget all your animations. The retargeting is when you convert data to be used in other skeleton. Okay, new project will be third person, yeah. Labelable variant, and you're gonna call it HoC Spartakos. Fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, new project here to start our game. Finishing to gonna deactivate some stuff and scale down already. Good. So this is what we have now. And even let me check one thing. So what we want to do is bring our characters. So we have the Spartacus. Version work because it's assets. So Gannicus. Bring Gannicus. And we're gonna bring Crixus. Undefeated Gaul. And now we want to use it. We're gonna create a folder. HoC shards. Characters. For characters, we're gonna duplicate this. One going to be our main. Or those don't pop out. So put the man here. Yard man. Compile. We can close. We can close it, but find prints. And so going to duplicate this as well. Not create from the many. Don't want to see email version. So going to create on the skeleton. I'm gonna call it HoC main. And just copy our main. So this is the duplicated stuff, and this one is created by the skeleton with a right click, and I'm gonna do this more time. So what we want to do now is to open this as well. I can just create this here. I'm gonna create block capables. Hopefully work. Copy as well part here. Working. Now we can close. What we want to do is make a child for this. Child will have second mesh that will be the mesh that we'll be using, but it will using the data because of the auto retargeting. For this one, the Spartakos. Can call them. It's gonna be the Gannicus. And Control D again. Be Crixus, the Undefeated Gaul. Save these. We're gonna create more folders. Create a folder of Spartakos. Create the Gannicus folder. And the Crixus folder. Undefeated Gaul. So now what we want to do is say for this animation blueprint retarget, doesn't matter is queen or many, but I like to select the many. So for the Spartan and Control A, and we're gonna choose this one, not create assets, just want to pass information. On the Spartacus, right click and new folder, auto retarget, enter. Sure we are clicking right because sometimes some stuff weird. Close. Now we have this. By having this, we can come the folder of the Spartan and search for the skeletal mesh. Doesn't matter what you choose because they have data, but safety measures, I'm gonna select for example this one. And we want to create something with this, that is the animation blueprint. AVP Spartacus. Gonna make it folder of Spartacus. Now we can come here and say we want to use ID game. Now we're gonna shoot animation, but this animation will not work because mesh pose reference, not this one, mesh pose. And we need to select, say on the right side, that we want to use one that we have generated. So it's working. I think we don't need nothing here. Now for this one, I'm gonna shoot Spartacus. Something is missing. Why is doing pose? Spartacus. And it's not working because we need to do working game. This for the main pose, holistic pose and refresh bones, and for this one we need to analytic pose when rendered. Not work because it's something. Okay, we found the problem. As we can see now, why is the controls a little bit weird happening? Okay, maybe my late hours working, everything working fine. So nothing not work fine. So now let's do it again for Gannicus. For the Gannicus, gonna need target the animations again. Gannicus, many, all factors, Gannicus, new folder, auto, retarget, port. Now we're gonna find the Gannicus skeleton mesh. I'm gonna create animation blueprint for Gannicus. Gannicus. Gonna put Gannicus on the folder of Gannicus. Now come to Gannicus. Correct this time. Gannicus. For the main mesh. I can do that on the base one. Compression bones. 100. And want to come here and make the mesh pose retarget. Gonna use correct is one file, and it's working. Hide in game. Now we have Crixus. So, and by doing this, we can still have different attacks and stuff that each of them can do. Let's gonna do Crixus. Can come to the Crixus and do this way. I walk around is the same. It's just create animation blueprint. ABP Crixus. Dark. still not have for Crixus, because we need to come to the main character again and say to retarget the animations for Crixus. Okay, so now we can save and open our animation blueprint, and now we're gonna have Gannicus. Don't need nothing here. You can do everything on the main, on this. Yeah. So Crixus here, let's putting that Crixus on the place. Gannicus, not Gannicus, Crixus. Okay, my man Crixus here. Add in game, ability, go for the bones of the Crixus to render all the time. Okay. Here, refresh bones and stuff. I think we are ready to go. And test Gannicus. We have Gannicus. This is just the implementation of the characters, so we can code the game. Of course, we're gonna change the animations. And let's test Crixus. So I'm already very tired, but I'm gonna make this. Here we are, my man Crixus. Undefeated Gaul. And we have legs. For example, go for modeling, gonna create, I guess, stairs. Confirm, I guess, modeling stairs. Accept. Now we put legs. Because right. Okay. So if you want to do collision, fix collision, fast way to do it is complex collision as simple. Just that. And you know. So now we have our characters. We have main character. We have Gannicus, that is the first one of the series. Great. Thank you guys. If you like the idea and stuff, subscribe, like, and let's make this.